Hello there everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today is a very good day, it's actually a great day. Alright, you know why? I don't need to say why, but here we start with the Hammond Collection Irritator here. And the Dominion Ichthyovenator. So this one, you push it down, it has a jumping attack. The mount moves and bites. There's this DNA scan. Nice color right there. You can tell this thing is a swimmer, same as the Irritator right here. Obviously it's a Hammond Collection, so there's no DNA scan. Great work here by Mattel. You can tell it's a swimmer, the tail right here. And of course I brought these two out because they are Spinosaurids. And we have the new CERATOSUCHOPS from Chaos Theory. Here we go guys, we're gonna unbox and review it. Alright, let's take it out in this bag. Brand new. Here we go. We are going to check it out. Alright, it has this Giganotosaurus symbol right there. Definitely doesn't have Darius or the Allosaurus anymore. It has two Atrociraptors now. We'll check the back. Whoop. Alright, so we already have the Cryptops. This one is still out of order, but this one's on its way. The Kentrosaurus. Alright, can't wait for the Pterodactyl. I also can't wait for this, obviously. Okay, so let's check it out. I'm gonna unbox it. It is obviously, yeah, pretty much new. 2024. New species from Mattel. Excited to bring this out. Oh wow. One more. Alright, there we go. Oh, the tail. Let's bring out the tail as well. While unboxing this tail, I'd like to say thank you for the non-stop support, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, let's put the tail in. Oh, I see. Chaos Theory they're so into battle damages. See, look at all the damage, the scars on the tail, the legs. It's a pretty cool thing to do. Same as the sail, there's a little damage right there. The arms have scratches right there, that's so cool. There's the head, the neck, the face. Look at that. Alright, the snout has some right there. Let's check the mouth. Very nice. Nice rubber there. Pretty cool. Where's the DNA scan of this guy? There you go. For you guys. There's a nice yellow right there. Okay. Let's check it out. Definitely 2024 it says. Alright, so you pull it down. Pull it, you push it down. There you go, start biting. Nice features, there you go. Same as the Cryptops, same style. Because it's obviously from Chaos Theory, it's a new thing again. Alright, so it is a Spinosaurid, I bet. The name CERATOSUCHOPS, obviously Suchops, like Suchomimus. There you go. Almost the same crocodilian look. Came from a Spinosaurid family. I've never heard of CERATOSUCHOPS before though. Same as this Ichthyovenator, but I've heard of the Irritator. I know this dinosaur. No, this one's not familiar to me. Something new. So yeah, there you go. Chomp, chomp. Nice color. I'm gonna get one more of these because it doesn't have a variant yet. So yeah. Oh, the hands are rubber. See that? It's not plastic. This one is plastic. It's hard. But this one's definitely rubber. Real soft. Nice though. Alright. Looks ferocious. Very ferocious. Alright guys. That's pretty much it for the day. I'd like to say thank you again. Okay guys, for the non-stop support. Don't forget to click the bell button, subscribe, and like. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you again in the next few days. Bye.